Right. Oh, dear. November the 14th, smoke test. Let's go. Let's just take all of these. We got really far through everything yesterday. I've also been told there were some things that merged last night that are now on production. That's going to make this whole thing a lot easier. Lots of little things all coming together. That's the theme of the catalog, right? But let's go start the list from the top. Let's put my face down here. And let's go to the test project, which is something that actually I haven't prepared this time. Catalog, test. There it is. All right, so we're on the test project. We've got automate agents. There should be no agents. That's good. I'm just going to hide chat for now. No, I don't want new agent. I want to explore catalog agents and search for the Joker. So yeah, we can do that. We can still search for the Joker. We can add it to the project. Enabling project. No, I'm not going to find it that way, am I? Catalog. Test. This one. Enable. Right, good. We're enabled. One of the quality of life improvements I was about to show you actually links the source project, not the one that I've just enabled it in. So that's still something that's a bit wonky, but that's fine. We can go back to, actually I can probably just hit back. There we go, it's there. Right, so we add it to the project. Can we chat to it? So what should it tell me a joke about? It really doesn't matter. Tomatoes. The point is we need to see if it works and what the experience of that is. Here we go. Oh, I sent it to Duo Agent by accident. Let's try again. Tomatoes. This is why we test them, because I might do something wrong, right? There we go. It's getting the user information. There we go. Good. I'm not even going to read this. They're always terrible. Feel free to read it. So we can chat to it. That's absolutely fine. We can come in and we can remove it. Again, the refreshing issue that I mentioned before is still an issue, but it's fine. We still remove it. We create a new agent. Let's hide chat again while we do this. In fact, let's leave chat open. I've got an idea. Smoke test 2025 1114. Delete me. Yeah. System prompt. Right, now, this is something that I want a new chat with Duo. And I want to say, write me a system prompt for an agent that uses the, what tools do we have available? GitLab user search tool. And finds me all the users with the users that match what we say in the user prompt. That's a poorly written prompt. Hopefully, GeoChat will give me a much nicer prompt. There we go. This is good. We're testing GeoChat at the same time here. I will save that. Let's just quickly read through it. GitLab user search tool. So let's give it that tool. GitLab user search. we'll see what this does. I'm not gonna read it. So this is our smoke test agent. So we've created a new agent. I do believe we still need to add it to the project because if I refresh, come here, yes, so it's not there. So this is where we've taken a step backwards in the user experience a little bit. We need to go back, explore again. And this is the one, right? So enabling project, enable, it's enabled, and then we can come back to that project. And then in theory, here it is. Get me all the usernames that start with I don't know if this will work. I've not tried this before, but it'd be interesting. But yes, so adding it to the project is still wonky, but we can chat to it. We may be able to edit it. Do you want usernames starting with AI within this project only? Or across the parent group? Oh, okay. That's interesting. I thought this would be able to search the instance. I'm not sure why it can't. No users found. Can you search the instance? No, you can't search the instance. Okay. I still want to test the tool, so I'll look for myself. Hey, there we go. Okay, it can't find any that start with AI, but ones that have the word Sam in them, it's found AI Sam Beckham and Sam Beckham. Whatever, the tool works. This is good. This is a good test. I will save that prompt and we'll use it. Also, thank you, Duo, for helping me create this. Okay, so now we want to go and agents. We want to edit this agent. Always respond what can I say? Obfuscate all email addresses. Why not? We're just testing that we can edit it. We're not testing the actual agent, so this is fine. Editing works. Again, you have to refresh the page, I assume. But you can now talk to the same agent. That's good. So users start with AI. We'll try that again. No users found. That's interesting. It's the joys of non-deterministic. There's loads. It doesn't like the hyphen. Yep, it's obfuscated the email. Good, right, so we can chat to it again. Right, now we want to delete it. Good, that works. Excellent. Let's just check that it was removed from the catalog. It was. Good. Right, now go to the test project again. Yep. Find an existing flow. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Oh, okay, I'll do that for next time. He says every time. Let's see, what's this one? Who knows? I'll enable it. Oh, it's private. I can't enable it. Copy of test. Sure, public. Let's enable that in the group. The group is yeah, this one. There we are. And then I want to go back to the project, don't I? Let's come in here, flows, enable flow from group, copy of test. Yeah, let's allow all of these. And there he is. Right, so we found it, we've added it to the group, we added it to the project, we want to assign it a merge request. So where's the merge request? There we are. And assign copy of test. There we are. We've still got. It'd still be nice to be able to see this agent name on the agent page, but that's on the flow page, whatever. But that's fine. It works. It's the same name as the flow, so it's fairly intuitive. This should run. It won't do much. Thankfully, it's pulling an Alpine, so it'll just. There we go. Hello world. Right, it works. Excellent. Largely useless, but it works. So we can assign it NMR. Now we want to remove it from the project, remove it from the group, create a new flow. So if I, you know what? I'm going to try this the other way around today. I am going to copy of test. I'm going to remove it from the group. Are you sure you want to remove it? The flow will also remove from any projects in the group. So we might be able to do both at the same time. It was removed from the group. That's good. And if I go back to the project, go back to flows. Hey, it worked. Good. Okay, create a new flow. I did prepare one earlier. Oh, that's interesting. It saved this from somewhere. I'm not sure where. Okay. This is the one I prepared earlier. But as a new user, you would see this, right? Can I undo that? Yeah. Okay, we'll just go with the one I prepared earlier. Basically, all it does is... Oh, you know what? This isn't one I prepared earlier. I don't know where this has come from. But I did prepare this one earlier. So let's copy all that. Put it in there. And what this does is this is an issue MR summarizer. It uses the get work item and get work item notes to read all context in the issue it's tagged in. So it just summarizes an issue or an MR, right? That's the idea. It's the idea. Let's see what happens, right? So we create this flow. Did that not work? Oh, I didn't give it a name. Description, delete me. Okay, that could have been smoother, but fine. Create a new one. We want to add it to the project. I'm guessing this doesn't happen automatically. Be nice if there was a way to do it in here, but there is not. So how do we even do that? Source project. Let's go to it. Let's go automate flows. Okay, so I need to go to the catalog. I need to find it here. I need to enable it in a group. Because it's private, it's restricted to the group that I created it in. Username has already been taken. Can you tell her? I tried to record this earlier too. That's interesting because I actually deleted it. Okay, maybe there's some service account cleanup I need to do as well. That's fine. Let's enable it in the group. And let's go to back to here. Flows. Enable flow from group. There's my smoke test number 2. And here it is. It's in there. Now if I look at it, everything good that's in there. The triggers are all set up. Excellent. Let's mention it on an issue. I don't think we have any issues. Did we get this far? We do have issues. Update README. Okay. At AI. Yeah, smoke test 2. What's going on? It should. Okay, it's starting. It's probably going to do what it did before. And we'll leave that running. I should probably prepare something for this weird downtime. Yeah, it failed. So this is weird. I don't know if this is a me thing, if this is a... yeah, there we go. Failed to create flow from flow config. Schema version mismatch. Declared version experimental, but received version 1. My understanding is that we should be using version 1, and that's exactly what I sent it. I'm not recording the full screen. Let me just add some lines to the top of the file here. Yeah, version V1. So I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if this is a me thing or a weird documentation thing, but the point is it triggers. We need to look into the execution. So we can mention an issue, and then let's go and delete it. Flows. Remove. And there we go. It's removed from the project now. But I have a feeling check all these direct members. There we go. We've still got all of our service accounts. Yeah, that needs fixing. We need this to automatically clean up. I think that's something that's coming, but we should really add that before we release anything. Okay, as before, it's getting closer. It's not quite there. It's not quite where I'm happy with it, but it's very close, and we're getting closer every single day. So yeah, see you on the next one.